How to overlay text on an image. This is a very simple task to do. In today's video we are going to use Canva. Of course you can do this in Photoshop or GIMP, but those apps may require some experience, and in my opinion Canva is the simplest, easiest and fastest way to go. So first things first, we are going to need an image. I downloaded mine from unsplash.com. This image was uploaded by Kerensa Piquet. I'm pretty sure I didn't pronounce that name properly, but I just wanted to give some credits. This is a stunning image and it's gonna be very easy to work with. So yes, let's go in Canva. First you're gonna create a design. On the top right you have the button to create a design. I'm going to go with a custom size, but for example if you want to create a wallpaper or maybe you need something for your social media, you can just search for that here and Canva is gonna already give you the proper sizes for your projects. Now I'm going with a custom size design over here. Okay, so on the left side you have all these little buttons. We are going to upload the picture first and click on it once you uploaded it. Now here I'm going to right click, or you can also click the three buttons here, and the three dots button over there, and we are going to set this one as a background. Now we are going to add another page because now we need to remove the background from the subject of the image. So we are going to put this image back here in the second page. Let me just make it bigger. Amazing. And once you click here on your image on the second page, you can go up and you have edit photo. Now on the left column you can see the background remover. Click on this and this is going to remove the background from our picture. Now with this we can go back up on the first image and start adding our text. We want our text to go behind the mountains, so we have the image and just the subject of the image down in the second page. This is gonna be super easy and fast. From the left side we're going back on this one and go to text. Now of course you can add headings, subheadings, or you can also choose one of the text fonts that you get with Canva, but we are going to use just a basic one. Oops, sorry, right click, wrong click, sorry. And here we are going to add the text. Let's use our channel's name and click on it again. I'm going to change the font and the size of the text. I'm going to use, yeah, Montserrat, why not? And we are going to use this, the black Montserrat. Perfect. Now I'm gonna make it bigger. Let's see, maybe I think I can make it even bigger than that. Yes, and I'm gonna place it where I would like it to go, behind the mountains over here. I think this is just perfect. Let me set up some transparency effect. I think 30 maybe is gonna go well with it. Absolutely good. So this is the position. Yeah, I want it to be, yeah, I think that's perfectly fine. Now we are going on the second page with the removed background, and we are going to copy this. So right click, copy, go above, click on your image, right click and paste. Now as you can see, my text is already behind the mountains because from the second image we just cropped the mountains out by removing the background. So now you just fix the position of the mountains over here, and because we don't need anymore the second page, we are going to delete that. And voila, this is our end result. Now you can just go here, download PNG of course, and download again. So our project is already done. Now if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next one.